What is electricity? In this video, we are going to learn about electricity. Why do we need electricity? What is electricity? What is electrical conductors? What is electrical insulators? How electricity is generated? How electricity is distributed? Why do we need electricity? We need electricity because it powers almost everything we use, such as lights, fans, computers, machines, transport, communication systems, and more. In today's modern world, almost every business and service runs with the help of electricity. Electricity helps us see in the dark, stay comfortable, and work easily. Electricity makes life easier and keeps the modern world running. Without it, our daily life and modern world would come to a stop. Now, let's learn what electricity is. Electricity is the flow of tiny charged particles. When these electrons flow continuously through a wire or circuit, it forms electric current. Electric current is measured in amperes. Voltage. Voltage is the force or pressure that pushes electrons. We measure voltage in a unit called volt, V. What is electrical conductors? Metals like copper, aluminium are called conductors. They allow electrons to move easily, so electric current flows through them with very little resistance. What is electrical insulators? Materials like rubber and plastic are called insulators. This happens because their electrons are tightly bound and cannot move freely. Because of this, insulators stop unwanted electricity flow and protect us from electric shock. Examples of electric insulators are rubber, plastic, glass, and dry wood. How electricity is generated? Electricity is mainly generated by spinning a turbine connected to a generator. Whether it's steam, water, wind, or moving magnets, the spinning motion creates electric current through electromagnetic induction. Methods of electricity generation. Electricity is produced by converting other forms of energy into electrical energy, such as hydroelectric power, wind power, solar power, thermal power, nuclear power, and geothermal power. How electricity is distributed? Electricity is first generated in power plants like thermal, hydro, wind, nuclear, and solar stations, by first increasing the voltage, sending it through transmission lines, and reducing the voltage at substations, and then, finally delivering it to homes and buildings. I hope you understood the basic concept of electricity. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.